Hello friends, hope that you are doing well and welcome back to the Grammar lesson. I am Malinder. Okay, in this lesson I am going to teach you how to use many and much in sentences because many people are confused when to use many and when to use much. Okay, let's get started. Remember, both much and many are used to talk about indefinite quantity or number. In other words, much and many sound very similar and they both mean large amount or lot of amount but not definite. They show indefinite amount. That is to say, by using word much and many, we cannot identify exact quantity or number. They indicate just large amount or lot of amount. Okay everyone, although these both words are referred to a similar meaning, they are uses in different way in the sentence. Okay, let's figure out when to use many. In positive sentences, many indicate large or lot of amount, but negative statement it show a few or small amount. Remember, word many we always use with plural countable noun. Countable noun a noun which can be counted with numbers. Okay, another very important thing, this word many always stand directly before noun to describe it indefinite amount. Okay everyone, let's go through some example to identify how to use word many. Okay everyone, look at these examples. There are many cats in the yard. Okay, here we use word many to indicate lot of or large amount. It means there are a lot of cats in the yard. Why do we use word many? Because of cats are countable noun. We can count them with numbers like 2 cats, 3 cats, even 10 cats. Okay, look at the next example. He has many friends. Here also many indicate lot of. It means he has lot of friends. And also we use word many because of friend countable noun. We can count them with numbers. Look at the next one. Many students did not take the examination. It's a negative statement. In negative statement, many indicate a few or small amount. It means few students got the examination. Okay, here also student countable noun, we can count them with numbers. So therefore we use word many to indicate indefinite amount. Look at the next one. Jack doesn't have many friends. It also negative statement. So we use many before friend. Friend is a noun and also it's a countable noun. We can count them with numbers. So therefore we use word many to indicate indefinite amount. We don't know exact amount. It's an indefinite amount. And also here many indicate a few or small amount. It means Jack has few friends. Okay, look at the next one. I don't have many books. It also a negative statement. We use word many to indicate indefinite amount. And also here book is a countable noun. We can count them with numbers. So therefore we use word many to indicate indefinite amount. Okay everyone, when you consider this whole example, it's clear we use word many to indicate large or lot of amount in positive statement or sentence. And also in negative statement, many indicate a few or small amount. And also this word many always stand directly before noun to describe it indefinite amount. Okay everyone, now let's look at when to use much. Much also we use to denote large or lot of amount in positive statement, but negative statement it show little or small amount. Remember, much we always use with uncountable noun to indicate it indefinite amount. It also we use directly before uncountable noun to describe noun unspecific amount. Okay everyone, let's go through some example to identify how to use much. Look at this example. There is too much sunlight. Okay, here we use much to indicate a lot of. It means there is a lot of sunlight. Because of we use much, sunlight is an uncountable noun. We cannot count them. How can we count sunlight with numbers? No, we cannot do that. So sunlight is an uncountable noun. That is why we use much to indicate indefinite amount. Okay, look at the next one. We had so much fun. Here also much indicate lot of. It means so we had a lot of fun. And also we use much because of fun is an uncountable noun. We cannot count them with numbers. Look at the next one. There is no much sugar in my coffee. Okay, here this is negative statement. Here we use much to indicate a little or few amount, and also because of sugar is a uncountable noun, we cannot count them with numbers, but we can count them with the specific units. For example, 1 kilo of sugar, 2 kilo of sugar, 3 bags of sugar, or 1 spoon of sugar, but we cannot count them with numbers. That is why we use much before sugar to indicate it indefinite amount. Look at the next one. I don't have much money. Here also we use much before noun money. Because of money also uncountable noun, we cannot them with numbers. It indicate I have little money. Okay everyone, in this lesson I mentioned about how to use much and many. Remember again, many always we use with plural countable noun which can be counted with numbers, and also much always we use with uncountable noun to show it indefinite amount. Okay, thank you for watching my video. See you soon with another grammar lesson. Bye bye.